National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Athens County. This includes Nelsonville, northwestern Gallia County, Jackson County. This includes Wellston, Oak Hill, Jackson, north central Lawrence County, northwestern Meigs County, Perry County. This includes Somerset, Shawnee, Perry State Forest, New Lexington, Vinton County. This includes MacArthur, Lake Hope State Park until 6:30 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicate at a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 22 miles west of Somerset to 20 miles west of MacArthur to 31 miles west of Oak Hill, or along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Reynoldsburg to 8 miles southeast of Chillicothe to 10 miles northwest of Portsmouth, moving east to 25 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include, but they're not limited to, Gallia, Radcliffe, Petersburg, Maybe, Eagle Mills, Creola, Fire, Allensville, Colton, Butchville, Thornville, New Straitsville, Junction City, Hemlock, Glenford, Crooksville, Zaleski, Wilkesville, and Hamden. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Monday evening for central Kentucky and southeast Ohio and central West Virginia. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting
wanted to take Vicodin, and I